Good afternoon, students. Today, class on collodions. Collodions is comes under monophasic liquid dosage forms for external use. These collodions mainly applicable to the skin. These collodions are a fluid preparations for external use only. These collodions may be applied to the skin by the use of brush or rod by use of glass applicator. The major component present in a collodions are pyroxylone. It is also called as nitrocellulose. This is volatile solvent, highly flammable. When application to the skin, the volatile solvent can be evaporated and form a flexible protective film around the site. The most commonly used volatile vehicles are ether, alcohol and acetone. The flexibility of a film can be produced by using castor oil. Pyroxylene is highly inflammable, so it can be stored separately and packed, protected from light and stored in cool place. These preparations are stored in cool place. These preparations are applicable by using glass applicator. These applicator is attached to the cap or available in separately. Based upon the type, there are again classified into two types: flexible collodions and non-flexible collodions. Flexible collodions is most commonly used for surgical dressings and also used for hold the dressing. When these are applied to the skin, these collodions form a nitrocellulose films. Coming to non-flexible collodions used as a theoretical makeup. These collodions are water repellents. Collodions should be dispensed in small wide mouth screw capped colored fluted glass vials with brush or applicator within a cap or supplied in separately. Labeling. Collodions must be having following external or additional cautionary labels. For external use only, these collodions labels includes a caution: highly inflammable, keep away from naked flames. Storage. Collodions can be stored in light resistant, well closed container. These collodions should be stored in cool place. Examples are pyroxylone collodions, flexible collodions and salicylic acid collodions. These flexible collodions is used as a base for preparation of another type of collodions. Discussing about individually. First one, prepare and dispense 100 ml of pyroxylene collodion. The components present in a pyroxylene collodions are prepared as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Contains pyroxylene 4 grams, ether 75 ml, alcohol 25 ml. The procedure for preparation of pyroxylene collodion as per Indian Pharmacopoeia: pyroxylene 4 grams can be dissolved in alcohol, can placed in container, shake the bottle with stop the container. After it can be continuous by adding ether and mix well together. This pyroxylone is a nitrocellulose derivative, can be prepared by absorbent cotton wool. Then absorbent cotton wool is reacted with sulfuric acid and nitric acid at 15 degrees centigrade to form a nitrocellulose. These nitrocellulose is used as a base for collodions. These collodions mainly used for preparation of base. Next, another example: prepare and dispense 100 ml of flexible collodion Indian pharmacopoeia. These contains pyroxalone 1.6 grams, colophony 3 grams, castor oil 2 grams, alcohol 90%, solvent ether up to 100 ml. The procedure involved in preparation of flexible collodion involves 1.6 grams of pyroxalone is dissolved in 24 ml of alcohol and add colophony, castor oil mixed together, and also add ether to mix together. It can be shaken and the remaining quantity of flexible collodion can be made up with ether. Transferred into bottle. If any foreign particles are contains, it can be filtered. Next one, salicylic acid collodion. Prepare and dispense 100 ml of salicylic acid collodion. The ingredients required for preparation of salicylic acid collodions is salicylic acid 10 grams, flexible collodion solution up to 100 ml. The procedure involved in preparation of salicylic acid collodions is weigh the required quantity of salicylic acid 10 grams dissolved in flexible colloidal solution and add makeup with required quantity by using flexible collodion. These flexible colloidal contain salicylic acid, lactic acid. Salicylic acid is used as a keratolytic property that having lyses the keratin layer. This is also contain lactic acid enhance the availability of salicylic acid. The marketed available preparations are Salactin paint used for children's, adults and elderly. These are the formulations available in market for collodions, salicylic acid collodion preparations. It contains salicylic acid and lactic acid. Lactic acid enhances the bioavailability of salicylic acid to the keratolytic skin. The marketed available preparations are Dulofilm and Salactin. This is most commonly used for treatment of warts, corns and calluses, and also used for plantar mosaic warts. Thank you. Today class discussing about collodions formulation and examples.